Hi, Tempe Krieger here, TeamSecundy REMAX Properties. Welcome to 2381 Pelican Bay, our newest listing. You have got to see this gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car tandem garage celebration model classic home. There are so many amazing upgrades, whether it's the giant windows, whether it's the countertops or the flooring. Come take a look with me. Thank you so much for watching. If you or someone you know has any questions, give me, one of my team members, or your professional realtor a call to set up a showing and get all the information you could possibly want.